Am I following the rules all the way? Absolutely not. We not losing any hair just for a YouTube video. We ain't doing that. Welcome back to the channel, people. And I recently ran across a video by Lynda Jay, and the video title was "Do This If You Want to Detangle with No Breakage." That's a bold claim. Like, that is a bold claim. So if you are in the My Natural Hair Life Facebook group, you would know that this month we are all about retaining our length. And as you already know, if you've been following me for a while, I think the number one issue to breakage, or the number one cause of breakage, is how we handle our hair, especially during detangling. So let's hear Lynda Jay tips, and let's see if we agree about this no breakage thing. I mean, no breakage.
As you can see, my hair is already sectioned off because washing my hair in sections helps me to avoid excessive tangling, which can lead to breakage, but also sectioning my hair just makes the overall process much easier.
Okay, so we're not gonna replay this full video in full like on this video because just no, right? Just no. But she is making this shower scene look so easy. Oh, my shower scenes be so terrible. Yet, if you are new to this channel,
hi,
I am also a fan of detangling and just working with your hair in sections, because that just makes life so much easier, like so much easier.
I use a really thick, deep conditioner. Not only is it important for the deep conditioner to be thick, but it must have really good slip. Since I have type 4B, 4C hair, the slip is what's going to cause the detangling process to go smooth.
As a 4C natural, I absolutely agree that you need a deep conditioner with great slip, especially when you're like manipulating your hair when it's wet. And today I use a thick conditioner too, the Curlsmith Soothing Mask, and we not detangling with that in my head, like we just not. So we're gonna change it up a bit. After we hear her tips, I'm actually gonna rinse out this deep conditioner and detangle on rinsed out hair.
I split my larger section into 2 to 3 sections and finger detangle first. This really helps me avoid breakage and tackle my tangles with ease.
Now y'all already know I'm down for that finger detangling, right? Y'all know that, right?
Also, you wanna make sure that you're listening to your hair. If you're detangling and you can hear your hair breaking, then I suggest sectioning your hair into even smaller sections.
Amen to listening to your hair. Like, oh, I'm not the only person who think that, right? Like, oh my God. That's so awesome. Like, I love her already. This is the first video I've seen by her, and I'm just gonna subscribe off that. Yes, I am.
This is how much hair I lost, and this is likely only shedding. There is definitely a difference between shedding and breakage. Now I'm going back in to detangle with my shampoo brush. I've mentioned this brush several times in the past because I love it that much. It was just $1 at the Dollar Tree, and it works so well for my hair.
Okay, so that's not a lot of hair that she lost after finger detangling, and as you all heard, she went to go get that brush from Dollar Tree. So I went to go get my brush from Dollar Tree. I didn't see the same one that she had, but you know, I got one. And here it is. Boom. Oh, I got a mirror to it too. Okay, I might have to have that. But this is how my Dollar Tree brush look. And I would absolutely not use this after this video. Let me not fool y'all.
Again, you want to listen to the friction between the brush and your hair. When I hear a knot, I either slow down or stop brushing to manually unknot my strands.
So we just seen her process, right? And she listened to her hair. I think that's awesome, right? So I'm going to go rinse out one of my twists, and then we're going to come back and try this method on my hair. Am I following the rules all the way? Absolutely not. We're not losing any hair just for a YouTube video. We ain't doing that. I'll be right back. Okay, so I have rinsed out one twist, and as you all can see, the rest of my hair is still like in the deep conditioner, and I won't, you know, manipulate that until I'm ready, you know what I mean? So this is my finger detangling, shedding amount of hair. Maybe if I hold it like her. Now I know that's not all that's gonna come out. So let's get into this detangling. Let me get up close. We are definitely going to split this into two. We ain't gonna play ourselves. No ma'am, no we not. Let's put this away. I don't even know, I feel like this is a big section for this dollar store brush, but okay. We're gonna finger detangle just a little bit more here because yeah, we don't want to pull our hair out. Start at the ends like she recommend. Yeah, see, I don't like this already. I don't even like how this feels. Like it's pulling my ends. 1 second. Okay, we got that little knot off there. See, and this is another reason why I detangle out of the shower is because I kind of want to see my knots so that I can cut them off. In the shower, I can't, it's a lot. It's a lot, you know what I'm saying? So, here we go.
It's very important to brush starting at the end of your hair and slowly working your way up your hair shaft.
Yeah, I'm having some trust issues right about now. Like, whoo-wee, this is making your girl a little nervous. For some reason, I have an end here that's just not agreeing with this brush. And no, this is not the exact brush that she has, but like I feel like the teeth on her brush and my brush are like the same, like width apart or length apart. How do you say that? Okay, okay. The water could have definitely helped her, but I am a 4C natural who do not believe in detangling with thick products in my hair. All right, get that out. Even if they have slipped, like, no thank you. All right, so we got our water here. We are just gonna spray our hair a little bit more here. Let's try this again. See, no, I'm not really liking this. Like, I'm listening to my hair, but I'm feeling some resistance here, and it's just making me nervous. That's all. It's just making me nervous. Okay, so we're gonna stop right here because I feel like my hair is like this brush is snagging my strands, and I can't pull away too fast because I don't want them to snap, right? Like I got the ends here cleared where I'm okay, but as I go up the length of my hair, like it's just taking me too long to like run this brush through. Like I don't see how a lot of 4C naturals get a tool from their roots to their ends with ease. Like I don't see it. Now granted, I'm one who don't believe in like fully detangling my hair. Like if it's some tangles left over, it is what it is, you know what I mean? So that could be my reason, but we're gonna stop right here. We're gonna stop right here. So here is my 2 cents on Miss Lynda Jay video. I think she is absolutely awesome and like spot on with listening to your hair, with finger detangling first. If you are a natural who prefers to detangle like when wet, I definitely think like that water helps you kind of just pull your hair down or stretch your hair, for lack of better words, to get like any detangling tool like through your strands. Like I think that's spot on. However, I would never recommend a tool with like such close together teeth. Like I wouldn't personally recommend that, but if it works for you, by all means, do you. Not me though, like not me. And the other thing that I don't agree with is the claim of no breakage. In my opinion, whenever you manipulate your hair, you're going to have a strand or 2 or 3 that just snap. Just because it's normal. Like you can't prevent 100% breakage, right? But you can minimize it with the tips that she gave in this video and the tips that I always preach on all of my social media sites. So if you like this video, if you found it helpful, if you agree with Miss Lynda Jay, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up. And make sure you go over there and actually watch her video. She makes the shower scene look so freaking easy, where I be struggling. Your girl be struggling in the shower. Also, if you are having like personal issues with retaining your length, email me and let me help you today. Tell me your story. Other than that, I want to thank you guys for watching. And if you want to dive deeper into this topic, I suggest that you check out this video right here on the screen for you, because some of you know I have separation anxiety issues, and yeah, I just don't leave me, okay? Period.